Welcome to Industrial Hose and our cylinder and machine shop. Bring in your hydraulic cylinders, drives, motors, and pumps to our cylinder and machine shop in Pompano Beach. There's nothing industrial hose and hydraulics can't repair. Our experienced machinists will make your parts in our machine shop if replacement parts are unavailable. We can also provide replacement OEM units in case a piece of equipment is beyond rework or repair. Our cylinder and machine shop includes the reworking and rebuilding of hydraulic equipment. After you try us, you won't settle for second best. For more information, log on to industrialhose.com or call 800-442-0311.
Founded in 1986, Industrial Hose and Hydraulics is your one-stop shop for industrial hose, hydraulics, and accessories. We supply every type of hose and service for every type of business. The products we distribute are designed by quality manufacturers to provide unrivaled performance.